So hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in a Pocket and GLM team, the team behind GLM 4.5 and GLM 4.6 are back again, and this time they have released GLM TTS, that is a text to speech model, controllable and emotion expressive zero shot TTS. It has voice cloning capabilities as well. So first of all, let's try out the model. Here you can see that it's hosted for free on audio.z.ai platform. So let's try it out. First of all, you need to log in with your Gmail account. So this is the text that I was trying out. Here you can provide any prompt. Hey dad, I'm very upset from you. Why didn't you come for my football match? I'm expecting you tomorrow. Please don't be late. Bring mom as well. So now let's hit on here. You can change the tone. General male voice. Speech rate is adjust. We can make it a little slow. The volume can be a little higher. Generate speech. It is generating.
Hey Dad, I am very upset at you. Why did not you come for my football match? I am expecting you tomorrow. Please do not be late. Bring mom as well.
So as you can see, the quality looks good. Let me try out something else. The same prompt with a different tone. Gentle female tone. Let's keep the speech rate to be 1. Let's regenerate this.
Hey Dad, I am very upset at you. Why did not you come for my football match? I am expecting you tomorrow. Please do not be late. Bring mom as well?
And here's a timber cloning 2 option. Upload and record a clear audio sample and will clone the sound for you. Give your tone a name and we can upload some samples. And I don't have any audio for now, but you can test out the voice cloning capabilities also here, or you can click to start recording. Let me record a sample. I drink a glass of warm water when I get up in the morning. Open the window to let in some fresh air, tidy up a bit, and get ready to start a new day. So I think I'm able to upload my sample, give it a name, self, and then let's provide a text. Welcome to Data Science in a Pocket. There is a place where you get the SOTA data and AI information and all the technical stuff that you need to know about AI. So I think I uploaded a sample of mine. I've given it a text. Now let's start cloning. Cloning is in process. So I think the model is evolved for both speech synthesis as well as cloning. Welcome to Data Science in your pocket. This is a place where you get the SOTA data and AI information and all the technical stuff that you need to know about AI. The cloning is not that great, but it's quite good. It's not that bad also. Pretty decent attempt, I would say. Now this is the GitHub repo of the model. As you can see here, the model is completely open source. It is controllable and emotion expressive zero shot TTS with multi reward reinforcement learning too. And this is how you can use the model. The codes are present in the GitHub repo. Let's jump on to our last segment where we talk about in detail about the model configs. GLM TTS high quality text to speech system. What is GLM TTS? It's a high quality TTS synthesis system based on LLMs, supporting zero shot voice cloning and streaming inference as well. As you saw in one of the examples, what are the key features? I think zero shot voice cloning. Clone any speaker's voice with just 3 to 10 seconds of prompt audio. RL enhanced emotion control. multi-reward reinforcement learning frameworks for natural prosody, high-quality synthesis with reduced CER, phenome level control, streaming inference, and bilingual support. Just supports Chinese and English mixed text too. What is system architecture? The first system is LLM stage. A llama-based model converts text to speech tokens and then flow matching stage. Flow model converts token to mel spectrograms. What is the reinforcement learning alignment? I think it follows group relative policy optimization and multi-reward function similarity. Character error rate should be minimum. Emotions, laughter, etc. What are the evaluation results? I think the evaluation results, the model has very low character error rate, the lowest of all compared to CTTS, Cozy Voice 2 and F5 TTS 2. And in terms of speaker similarity for voice cloning, I think the model is a little struggling but at par with F5 TTS. What is the conclusion and summary? Advanced LLM with zero shot voice cloning. Reinforcement learning enhances emotional expression, that is quite important, an open source system. With this, it's a wrap. I hope you try out the model. The model looks good and you should be able to use it. Thank you so much.